Good morning, y'all, and welcome to Mama Shell's Camping Kitchen. We do not have all of our nifty recording equipment this morning, so we're going to be doing it on my phone. So this morning we're going to make peanut butter and jelly French toast. Now for that, you're going to need about a half a cup of milk, a dozen eggs, a tablespoon of vanilla, and that's what we've got mixed here in the bowl. Now we've got our light bread that we're going to put in the egg dip. And we have 4 different kinds of jelly: blueberry, blackberry, red raspberry. Okay, we got 2 blueberries, 1 seedless, or 2 blackberries, 1 seedless, 1 not. And then our peanut butter. And then we have our maple syrup that goes on top, and then our powdered sugar that'll go on top. And since we're at the camper, we are cooking on the griddle. So we've got some maple syrup sausage links going. So we always put your meat on first because it's going to take longer than your French toast or your pancakes or whatever you're making for breakfast. So we've got these. We're going to get these half done, and then we're going to start doing our French toast. So the way I do my French toast with peanut butter and jelly is I put peanut butter on one slice, jelly on one slice, put them together, and then I'll dip the whole thing in my egg, milk, and vanilla mixture. Alright, we'll get these flipped. Oh yeah. And I'll get some ready and we'll show you. Okay, so we've got one who doesn't want jelly, so we're just going to spread the peanut butter, put it together with a piece of bread. And this is going to be the difficult part of trying to do both things. Okay, so we're going to move that over there. And we'll do it this way. Alright, so we're just going to dip it in, let some of it drain off. That's simply so it's not as messy. Okay. So, same concept with the next one, but we're going to put some jelly on it. Okay, so we've got our homemade blueberry on one side and our peanut butter on one side. We're going to put them together. And we're going to dip and move closer to the griddle. I so apologize for how crappy this is going to turn out. Alright, fling her on there. Alright, so you're going to cook them till they are golden brown on both sides. And then we'll go from there. On this one, I have put the homemade blackberry jam and peanut butter. And then we'll look at these and show you what we're talking about by golden brown. Ta-da. And our maple syrup sausage links are almost done. So we'll get the rest of these done. And then we'll put some powdered sugar and some syrup on top. Alright guys, here it is. We've got a stack of peanut butter jelly French toast. Some of them's got red raspberry, some's blueberry, some's blackberry. Sausage links. We're going to powder a little bit of sugar on top of it and a little bit of syrup. Enjoy. Thank y'all for visiting Mama Shell's Kitchen.